let's press P for pen tool, and then let's ignore fill and apply a black fill, black stroke, and then this reference image has been given in the description. So this document is just a standard 1080p document. I have created a line like this, and then I have applied a stroke width of 30, and then I bring this by holding Alt, and then select this and apply a value of 25, and then let's keep both of this on the top, and then let's bring this by holding Alt, bring it like this. Let's select this, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and then select A and select this point, press R, and then click here, and then press R, just rotate around the value of 13, and then select both of this, press O for the reflect tool, and hold Alt and click here at the center, and then change this to vertical, and then press copy and select this and press delete, select this and delete. So let's select both of this and keep it here, and then select this and press Alt and bring this like this, and then let's select this and then go to object, path, and the outline stroke, and then select both of this and go to pathfinder and use this function called unite, and then press M for the rectangle tool and drag like this, and then select both of this and bring this here, and then select this, hold Alt and bring it on the top, and hold Alt and move this horizontally, and select all of this and use this function called divide, and then press A and select this and delete, select this and delete, select this and delete, select this and delete, press delete and press Ctrl Y. So there is the extra point, select this and delete, and select this, press Ctrl Y to check. I think this is alright, and then let's drag this here, and let's leave this, and then let's drag this again, hold Alt and bring this hold Shift and Alt and bring it like this, something like this, and then select this and hold Alt and bring this, and just rotate it this way, hold Shift and then bring it here and hold Alt and move this horizontally, bring it like this, and select this and bring it like this, and select this, hold Alt and Shift and bring it here, and select all of this. Maybe let's reduce this gap by bringing this inside, and select this and hold Alt and bring it here, and let's select this, go to object path and outline stroke, and then select all of this, click unite, and then select this with EA, select this and select this, press yes, hold Alt and click this here, and then select this and copy the value and paste it here, and change the vertical value to 0, This will straighten these points out. Press minus for the delete anchor point. Delete these anchor points just like this. You don't need any extra axis. So I pressed Ctrl Y to go to the outline mode. Press minus and delete this point. Press Ctrl Y to exit the outline mode. Then select this. Let's select both of this point. Let's select both of this point with the A, and then let's select both of this point and just round it this way. I think there is an extra edge here. Press minus, delete this. I think select both of this. I think there is an extra edge here also. Press minus to delete this and select both of this. Press yes and select this. Keep it on our last settings. Press OK and select both of this. Just try to round this, something like 35, and select both of this and round this, something around 15. Could work. I think this is all right. Maybe let's bring our width a little bit down. Let's follow the same process. Something like this. And let's bring this by holding Alt. Let's hold Shift and Alt and bring it here, something like this, and hold Alt to bring this, and rotate it by holding Shift and bring it here. Hold Alt, press E for the transform tool. This will move this precisely, something like that. Maybe let's just keep it this way and select this, hold Alt and bring it here, something around here, and select all of this with EA, direct selection tool, and just move this inside so that there could be less of this width, and then hold Alt and bring it here and select all of this. Go to object, path and outline stroke, and then let's merge this with unite, and let's press A and select this point. Press yes, select this, and then let's leave it on our last settings. Press OK and then press minus. There is this unnecessary point. Let's press Ctrl Y. I think all of this looks good. Let's select this and then let's rotate it something around 35, and then select this point. Let's bring this something around 15. I think this width could be a little bit less. Select this and then let's rotate it something around this, and then something around 35, something like that. Let's hold Alt and bring this here. Let's hold Shift and Alt and bring it here, something like that. Let's hold Alt and bring it. Let's put this on top of this and press A and select this point and bring it to the center by holding Shift, something like that. Press R and select this point and let's try to rotate it this way. Maybe let's bring it a little bit down, something like that, and then press R and select this point and just rotate it this way, something like that, and select all of this, press O, and it should be at center. Select this, hold Alt and then press copy, and then there should be an extra line. Let's delete it. So all of this looks good. Select both of this which is at center. Go to object, path and outlines. Let's bring this here so that we have a backup. Select both of this and go to object, path and outline stroke, and then let's press divide and then press A, or just keep it on V and just ungroup it, and let's select and delete some of this. I think all of this is good, and select all of this and merge with unite, and select all of this. I think we need to outline this too. Object, path and outline stroke, and select all of this. Let's just press divide and then let's select this and ungroup, and let's delete some of this just like that, and then select all of this and press unite, and let's press Ctrl Y, press A. I think there is an extra edge. Press minus for the delete anchor point tool. Let's also delete these. All of this looks clean. Ctrl Y. Let's leave this, and then let's select both of this with A and press S, hold Alt and click here, and then let's copy this and paste it here, and then let's increase the horizontal value. I think we have to reduce it something around 75. Press OK. I think this looks good now. Let's select this and hold Alt and bring it here, and select this, press Shift and Alt, select this and hold Shift and Alt, hold Alt and Shift to bring this here, and select this, hold Alt and bring it here. Let's rotate it with holding Shift and bring it here, hold Alt and bring it here, something like that. Let's save this document. Let's select this and bring it here by holding Alt. Go to object, path and outline stroke, and then press unite and select, press Ctrl Y and select these with A, and then press minus for the delete anchor point tool. Let's select this. I think there is an extra edge here. Let's delete this, select this, let's rotate it this way, give this rounding values and just round it this way, and then let's use this, select all of this, hold Alt and bring it here, and let's select this by selecting A, direct selection tool, press E and bring it here, something like this. Then let's reduce the width a little bit, select all of this with A and bring it here. We can also reduce this width. I think we need to do this again. Let's delete this, let's select this and bring it here by holding Alt. Go to object, path and outline stroke and select this, press unite and select all of this, press yes and copy this here and give the vertical value 0 and then press minus. Let's delete this and then let's select this and move it this way. I think this is alright. Let's select this and use minus operation and then select all of this, select this and round this way, and let's press A and bring this inside, and then let's select all of this, hold Alt and bring it here, and then go to object, path and outline stroke, and then let's merge this and then let's select this, press S and then press minus for the delete anchor point tool, and then let's select this and round this, and let's select both of these and round it, and then let's hold Alt and bring it here, something like this, and then let's select this point and press E and bring it here, something like that, and let's select this point and let's bring it a little bit inside, just like that. We can bring it even more. Let's select this and bring it inside. I think this can be a little bit reduced. Then let's select this and hold Alt and bring it here. I think let's maybe bring this here by holding Alt and then select this, and then I think select this point by pressing A and press E and bring it here, something like that, and select this by and hold Alt and bring it here, go to object, path and outline stroke, and then let's press unite and then select this, press S and select this here, and then press OK, then select this point, press S and bring it here, then select this, press Ctrl Y, press minus, delete the unnecessary points, just like that. Let's press Ctrl Y to exit the outline mode. Let's select this and try to round this. Before doing that, let's have this as a backup, just like that, and then let's hold Alt and bring it here, just like that, maybe something like that, and then press R. Maybe let's first bring this with E, just like that, and then press R and select this point, just try to rotate this way, maybe something like that, and select this and bring it inside a little bit like this. I think we are on the right path, and select this and let's just leave it, and then let's select all of this and bring it here, go to object, path and outline stroke, and then press M for the rectangle tool, create a rectangle like this, select both of this and let's press minus front. I think this is alright. Let's select this with A and then rotate, give it this roundness, and then select both of this and give this a roundness around 15. I think this can be a little bit less, so let's go something around 40, and let's select this and bring it something around 15. Let's select this, hold Alt and bring it here, and let's just merge this with unite, and then press minus and delete this point. I think there is one more point here. I think we are okay. let's down this just like that. I think I'm undoing it little bit, and then this needs to be little bit rotated, so I'm going back with Control Z, then I'm selecting these points and bring it outside a little bit, and then select this, press R and select this, and then just try to rotate it this way, and then select this and bring it inside, and then let's bring it here, and then let's press Unite. Don't do that. Select this and select both of these points, and let's rotate something around 40, and select these and give this roundness around 15. I bring it inside even more, and select this. Let's do something like this. Let's select this and bring it here, and let's press Unite, and then let's select this, then give a roundness something like that, and then press M, bring it like this, and select this and press minus front, and let's press A and select this, press yes and press this and press OK. We got this, and then let's select these points. Let's try bringing it inside. I think let's select all of this with A, all of these points. I'm going to select these points. I'm going to press E and bring these points down, something like that. Let's bring it. Now let's bring this instead. Let's select this and bring it here like this, and delete this one, and select this, hold Alt and bring it here, and select object path and outline stroke. Let's select this and go to Pathfinder and press Unite. Let's bring this here and select this point, press yes, hold Alt and click this, press OK and select this, press yes, press OK, select this, press minus. Let's press M and create a rectangle like this, and bring this rectangle to this center of this one, something like that, and select this and press minus front. Then let's press A and bring these points inside a little bit, just like that. And let's press Alt and bring this here. Let's select this with A, do something like this, and then select both of this. Let's leave this like this. Let's also bring this one just like that, and then select this, maybe select this and edit, and select this one and bring it inside, something like that, and hold Alt and bring this here, and select this, go to path, go to object path, outline stroke, and select this and press unite. And press A and leave it like this. I think let's try assembling this. Press select, hold this, hold the letters holding Alt and bring like this. Let's bring this here, go to object path and outline stroke, and let's press unit, and let's bring this by holding Alt, bring this by holding Alt, bring this by holding Alt, bring this here, hold Alt, bring this here, go to object path and outline stroke, and select this, press object path and outline stroke, something like that. Let's select this, press A and bring it like this, something like that. Bring this down a little bit, something like this. Fix the spacing just a little bit. This is just for a backup. Let's select this and bring it like this, and press Ctrl Z, call this design 1, and select this and hold Alt and bring it like this. Let's try adjusting this. Let's press M and create a rectangle like this, something like this. Let's make it a black color and then hold Alt and bring it like this, and then select here and press plus icon, and then you will get this add an anchor point tool. Create two anchor points like this. Press A and select these points. Select these points, hold shift and bring it like this. Snap it on the last point and select this point and select this point. Select this point and hold shift and select this point. Press yes, hold Alt and click this. Follow the settings, press OK. Select this, hold Alt and bring it like this, and then let's select this point. Hold shift and use the right arrow key, just like this, and then select this and bring this with Alt and select this point and bring it like this, and then select this and bring it like this, and select this point and bring it like this, and select this point, bring this inside little bit, something like that, and let's bring it at, let's just ungroup this and then select this and bring it at like this, and then bring this thing right here, and let's scale this just like this, and let's hold this here and hold Alt and bring it here, something like this. Press E and bring it like this, and then bring this thing inside little bit. Again we can scale this a little bit more, just like that. I think maybe like let's bring this point and bring this thing a little bit down, maybe something like that. Then select this and bring this little bit inside. Press E and bring it like this, something like that. And then let's leave this here and let's delete this, and let's bring this here, and then let's select all of this and bring it like this by holding Alt, and select this with press unite, then select this, bring it here, and then select this, press plus, let's create 2 points just like this, and select this point, press yes, hold Alt and click this, and follow these settings, press OK, and then select these points, press yes and press here, and then increase the horizontal value by 140, just like that, and then select this, bring it down a little bit, just like that, and bring this thing just like that. Hold Alt and bring it here, and then hold Alt and bring this, then select this and bring it here and merge it with unite, and then I have forgotten this thing. Select both of this and then increase the roundness just a little bit, just like that, and then on this one let's go and round it around like this. I think there is a point. then there is a point in here. Let's bring it inside like this, and then let's select this, and then let's select this and then merge it, and then let's select this point and give it a roundness, and then let's bring this here, then let's press here and then press E and bring it like this, something like this, then just round it this way, something like that. I think let's bring it a little bit inside, then let's bring this one here, bring it like this, let's select this and bring it here, and merge this, let's select this, and let's bring this here, let's select all of this, press yes, and then give the value of 100 and press OK, and then press select this, and let's press 1 and press yes and select this, and then copy this and then paste it here, and then increase the horizontal value just like this, something like this, something like 130, and then select these points with A and S and hold Alt and press OK, and then select all of this point and increase the roundness just like that. I think let's add a point only in here. I think that's enough, and let's select this and bring it like this, and select this point and increase the roundness just like that. Let's save the document, then let's bring M and bring this here, bring it like this, and let's select both of this, press O and choose this point and press Alt and press copy, and then select this and add this, and then select all of this and bring it here, and let's merge this with Unite, and let's select this point and select this point and increase the roundness, and then let's select this and bring it here, and let's add anchor points here, and let's bring this one in just like this, and then select this and round it a little bit, and then select this and bring it this way, and select this and round it all the way just like this, and then let's bring this here, and then add anchor points here and here and here and here, all the sides, and let's select all of this, press yes and click this, and then give the value of 100, press OK, and then select these 2 points, press yes and then select here, and then give the value of 130, press OK, and select this and press yes and hold this here, and then click OK, and then select all of this and down this way. I think we are good. Let's bring this one a little bit outside just like that. I think we are good. Let's also bring this one a little bit inside and this one a little bit inside just like that, and let's select this and then press minus and remove this anchor points which is unnecessary. Let's click OK, and then let's bring this one here, and let's use this one which we have used here. We don't need this here, and then just add anchor points here with plus and select this and increase the value of about 140 and then select this, press yes and select this and then give the value around 100 and then select these and round this just like that. We forgot to keep a backup, so let's bring this here and let's select this and round it here, press yes, press Ctrl S and let's bring this one here. Let's bring these points a little bit inside and let's bring this here and then let's bring this one here. Let's bring this inside just a little bit, just like this. Select this, press E. That's it. And then let's add anchor points here and here and here and here. Let's select all of this, press yes, press OK and let's select these, press yes and hold alt and give the value of 130 and select this and hold alt, bring the value of 135 or something like that. Then let's select this and round this and select this and round it, maybe a little bit less, and let's bring this little bit inside like this and then let's select this and round it this way and let's bring this one out a little bit more and then let's round this. I think this is alright. Then let's bring the next one and then let's bring this here and then add anchor points here and here just like this and then select these points, select both of these, press E and bring this like this, bring it like this just like this and then select these points and round this. I think this is alright. Maybe this one needs to be a little bit lesser than this and then let's round this and let's round this. I think this is alright and let's select this. Let's maybe reduce this height a little bit. I think maybe a little bit more, little bit less. I think this works. Let's bring it here and then let's select this and bring it here and then let's hold alt and bring it here and then let's bring this one here just like this, press E and bring it like this, something like that. Then select all of, maybe all of this, select all of this, select all of this like this and then press O and let's find the center points, maybe something like this, hold alt and then press copy. Let's maybe delete this just like this and then let's select these and let's unite. I think we have forgotten to round this one. I think we may have forgotten to unite these two. Then select this, maybe increase the, maybe there is one more point, so I think so. Select this and then give the value of 2. This is alright. let's bring this one here, holding Alt, and then select these 2 points, and then let's rotate it this way, just like this. Let's use plus here and here. Then let's select both of this, press yes, and select this and give the value of 100. Maybe select this one and this one alone and hold Alt, and then give it a value of 100. Let's select both. Let's select this one and this one. Press yes and hold this here, and then increase the horizontal value just like this. Maybe something around 120 will work fine. Let's click OK. Let's select this and round this. I think this is alright. Let's try assembling these things, and let's delete this, all of this. Then I think we have forgotten to finish V, and then let's bring this here. Then let's add anchor points here and here and here and here. Let's select all of this, press yes, and select this, and then give the value of 100, and then select both of these, press yes and hold Alt, and then give the value of 130, something like that, and select this and hold Alt and select this, and then give the same value, and then select all of this and just round this just like that. Maybe this one and this one could be a little bit more. Maybe give the value of 105, something like that. Looks weird. Let's undo these things. Maybe let's select both of these and hold Alt and click this. Give the value of 100 here too, and then select this and then increase the horizontal value. Maybe decrease the horizontal value just around 80 also, and click OK, and let's press V and select these 2 points, and then press yes and hold Alt and click this, and then give the value of 135. Hold Alt and click this, and then give the value of 120. Hold Alt and click this, and then give the value of 120. Add anchor points here and here, and here and here, and select all of this, press yes and select this, and give the value of 100, and then select both of these, press yes and select this, and then give the value of 130. Maybe select this and bring the value of 135, and select, press V, then select this and press this, and then click OK, and then select this and bring it out a little bit, and select this and bring it out a little bit, and then select all of this and just round it. This looks alright, and then bring it like this, holding Alt. Add anchor points here and here, and select both of these, press yes and hold Alt, and then give the value of 100, and then select these and hold Alt and press yes, and then increase the horizontal value just like around 45, and click OK, and select these and just round this. I think this is alright. Then let's try assembling this. Let's delete these, and then let's bring this here, something like this. Bring this here. I'm holding Alt, by the way. let's bring this U from here, since there is no change in that. We gotta bring it from here, and then by holding Alt, let's try aligning this. I think this has 2A. Let's bring it here and then hold Alt and bring it here, just like this, and select this and bring it here. Select all of this and bring it here. Let's select this and then press Q and select these points. Press E and bring it like this. Maybe let's bring this one inside just a little bit. I think we haven't rounded this one. Let's round it, the value of 2. Also here with the value of 2. I think we are good. Let's bring a ruler here so that we can see. I think this one needs to be a little bit like this, something like this, and then let's bring a ruler here. I think we need to bring these things here. Press E and bring it here. I think let's maybe press Q and select these points, and then press S, hold out and click it, give the value of 100, give the value of 100. We should do is reduce the vertical value, maybe something like that. It is running our roundings here. I think it's alright, it's not a big deal. Let's bring to the value of around 60, maybe around 55. Let's click OK. Let's see it from the overview. I think this is alright. I don't see any issues. I think let's maybe bring this one little bit inside, just like this, and then let's bring this whole width little bit down, just like this. So I think we are good. let's just clear our guides. Select all of this and just group it. And then let's bring this here, something like this. I think let's maybe select all this, bring this here, and select this and bring it down. Let's call this 3, and then let's select this. I think we have grouped. I think we need to check again I think we are good. And select this and then go to effect, warp, and then arc, and then go to arcs. I think we're okay. Let's maybe click OK. Let's maybe increase this height a little bit, just like this. So maybe just a little bit, without ruining our overall look. I think we're okay. Let's maybe increase the spacing between them just a little bit, and maybe I should need a more space here. Let's select these points and then let's bring it up just like this. Let's double click here. Let's take a look. Let's select this and then go to window and appearance. So you get this appearance panel. Go to warp arc and then you can change the settings here. Let's change the value from 50 to 35. Let's click OK. I think we are good now. Let's save this document, bring this one here, and then let's select all of this and bring, I think it's hanged. Let's select all of this and then let's bring it here, and then let's bring this, bring both of this and then bring it here, and then let's type final design. Now let's select this, go to object, expand appearance. I think we are okay. Let's save this document. Let's bring all of this. Maybe something around here. Let's unlock this image and then bring it here. Save this document. Select these points, then select this, press Ctrl Alt 2 and select this image and select both of these points. Let's maybe select this one and let's copy it, and then let's go to layer 2, create layer by clicking this. You can create a new layer. Just go to this layer and just paste it, and let's maybe bring it here. Let's disable this layer and then let's start working on our Tamil design. Let's bring this points here and then let's start working on this Tamil one. Let's hold Alt and bring this here. Select this and then let's hold Alt and bring it here. Let's hold Alt and Shift and bring it like this, just like that. And then let's bring this one here by holding Alt. Let's rotate it this way and bring it here. And let's hold Alt. Let's bring it here, and then let's hold Alt and bring it like this, just like that. And let's select this point with A and then bring it like this, something like this. And then select this point and hold Alt and bring it here. Hold Alt and Shift. I think let's select this and hold Alt and bring it like this, and let's hold Shift and rotate it like this and bring it like this, and let's place it here. And then let's select this point, press E and bring it here, something like that. And then press P and continue this point until we reach here. And then select this and bring it here. We are just trying to reduce the gap. And select these points and then bring it here, so that it doesn't look awkward. Then let's hold Alt and bring it here. Hold Alt and Shift, and then select this point, hold Alt and bring it like this, something like that. And then let's select all of this with A and then bring it like this, something like that. And then select these 2 points, maybe along with this one, but bring it like this, something like that. And select these 2 once again and bring it like this. And let's select this and bring it like this, and let's select this point, press E and bring it like this. Let's maybe reduce all of this with A and bring it like this. Let's maybe reduce this, both of these heights, something like that. And let's select this point and bring it up just a little bit. Let's press P. let's bring a line like this, and then let's rotate this 90 degree holding shift, and then bring this here, something like that. Press P, and then select this, and then bring in something like this, and then select this, press P, and then make something like this, then make something like this, make something like this. Then let's select this and bring it down by holding Alt, and select this, press Shift W for the width tool, and then let's increase this width just a little bit, and then reduce this to all the way down, and then let's reduce this a little bit down, just like that. And let's maybe increase this one a little bit more. Then let's keep it this way, maybe something like that. And then let's select this and drag this here, and then let us try to round this thing. Let's select this with A, and then round this thing like this, and then select this, and then round this, just like that. And then select this, and then round it all the way, and select this and round it this way. And let's select this again, and then press Shift W, and bring this here, and bring this one down, something like that, and then bring this down here. Press Shift W again, bring something like that, and then I think there is an extra thing like this. Select here, delete. Another thing here, so let's just move it this way, maybe something like that. There is another one here, select this and delete it. Let's bring it here. I think this is all right. Let's maybe bring this thing down just a little bit, and then reduce this thing a little bit out, and then let's increase this just a little bit, just like that, and then bring this thing down just a little bit. Select this, go to smooth tool, this would be here. Select this thing and go to smooth tool and try to smoothen this just a little bit so that it looks curvy, just a little bit, just like this. And then bring this here, and then just scale this just a little bit, and then reduce the stroke width. It will reduce the overall stroke width, which is just what we want. Let's bring this thing down, and then let's try bringing this just a little bit, just like this, something like this. And then let's maybe bring both of these just a little bit out, something like that. Also, let's maybe increase this thing just tiny bit up, and then press Shift W once again and increase the stroke width just a little bit, something like that. Let's maybe increase this thing a little bit up, maybe something like this. I think this would work now. Also, let's increase this just a little bit, and then let's maybe press Shift W, press increase just a little bit, press Shift W and move this thing this way, and select these points and move it this way, something like that. Let's try bringing this thing down, and then let's start rounding. Just like this. I think we're okay. Maybe select both of this and bring this thing down just a tiny bit more, and then hold this, bring it here, and then round this thing. Maybe let's bring it out just a little bit. Maybe let's bring this thing down. Something like this should work. Let's bring this thing down. Go to smooth tool, and then let's smoothen this thing just a little bit. Something like this, and then increase the stroke width by going into our wedge tool. Then let's delete some of this. Let's delete this. Let's also delete this, so that it can be a gradual change here. And then let's select this, and then let's also delete this thing. I think we're okay. Let's maybe increase this thing just a tiny bit up. Let's select this, and then let's smoothen this just a little bit. I think we're okay. So it can be a little bit higher. I should bring this at the middle of this, something like this, and then bring this thing down. I think we are done. Let's bring this thing here. Let's bring it here. Let's reduce the stroke to something around 40, and let's scale this. Place it something like this. Let's select all of this and bring it this way. Then let's bring this point here. Let's bring this point here, and then rotate this by holding shift and bring it here, and select this point, and let's select this point and press E and bring it up, bring it here, something like this. And let's select this and bring it down just a little bit, and then let's select this and bring it up, something like this. And let's select this again, hold alt and bring, hold alt and bring it here. Let's select these and then go to object path and outline stroke, and then let's select both of this and just merge it. And then let's select this, go press minus, and let's remove some of the unnecessary points, something like this. And then add press plus key, and then select this, add a point here, and then select this point and press E and bring it up just like this. And then add an icon, add press, and then add a point here, and then bring it here, something like this. And then let's let's bring this thing just a tiny bit closer to this, and then let's maybe bring it up. Let's rotate this, press E, and then bring it this way. Let's select this and then bring it here, and then let's give it a let's move this thing a little bit up, a little bit inside. Let's leave this. Let's maybe select this and select this, also select this one and bring it here by holding Alt. Then let's select this and then go to object, go to transform, and then flip this vertically, and then select this point and select this point, press S and hold Alt and click here, and then go to non-uniform, give the horizontal value 0, maybe it's the other way around, press yes and hold Alt and click here, go to non-uniform, give the vertical value 0 by selecting these points. I think I have forgotten that, vertical value 0 so that it can be straightened out, and then let's concentrate on this. It is 25:30, it's cool, and then let's select this and then bring this down, select this and let's just leave it for now. I think let's select both of these points and bring it here, and let's flip this vertically, and then let's select this and press I and pick this point so that it can be little bit thin, and then let's bring it here, and let's select all of these and bring it inside just a tiny bit. Then let's select this point, press P. I think let's maybe select this and hold Alt and bring this here, and let's rotate it 90 degrees just like this, and then bring it here, press E and bring it like this. I think let's maybe select this and bring it down, bring it down, and then select this and go to object, path and outline stroke, and then let's merge this, and then let's press minus and remove unnecessary points just like this. I think we're okay. Let's leave this, and then let's select this and it's alright, and then let's go to this one, and then let's select these points, press E and then bring this inside something like this, and then let's select this and bring it this way something like that, and select this and press I and select this point so that it can be a little bit thick, and then let's maybe select this and bring it all the way here, and then select this point, press E and bring it down just a tiny bit, just something like this, and then let's select this, press Alt and Shift and bring this here, and then let's bring it this way, and then let's select this point and then bring it the other way something like this. Then let's select this and let's bring this, let's select this and then hold Alt and bring it here, then select this point, bring it down, let's select this point, bring it something like this. Let's select all of this and hold Alt and bring it here, and then go to object, path and outline stroke. Let's unite all of this with unite, and then let's bring it down, bring this down and then press minus, and then let's select this and press yes and select this point. Let's click OK. Let's start deleting with minus. Let's check this and then press yes and click this, and let's start deleting it. I think we are okay. Let's select these, let's select all of these, press yes and click this, and then copy this and paste here and change the horizontal value to 0, and then let's delete these points. Let's round this thing just a little bit and select this, and then just round it something like this. Let's maybe select both of these and then round it this way, something like this, and let's maybe bring this, let's maybe bring both of these points just a tiny bit down, something like that, and then let's rotate it something like this. I think we're okay. Very cool. And then let's save this document. Let's maybe select these 3 points and this one, hold alt and bring it here, and then select this point and bring it up. So that concludes our next letter. And select this and bring it down. Let's go to object path and outline stroke. Unite this, bring it down, select this point, press yes and click this, and then change this to 100, give this value of 100, 0, and then press minus. Maybe let's leave this here, and then let's select this, and let's maybe bring it here, and then let's flip this horizontally, let's flip this vertically, and then let's bring it there, and then let's maybe bring this thing here, just like this. Then bring this point, bring it out just a tiny bit. Let's press P and bring it down just like this, and select this point, round it this way, something like this. And let's select this and bring it down. Let's maybe bring it up. Let's select this, go to object, maybe let's select this one, go to stroke, and then click this thing called round cap on the caps option, and let's bring this thing out inside just a tiny bit. Maybe let's divide this into two part. Press add a point here, press C and divide this, and select this one, change it to normal thing, and this is a rounded one. I think we are all right. And then let's bring this, maybe let's remove the rounding, let's bring this point little bit up, let's select this and then round this. I think we are okay. Let's select this and then bring it down just a tiny bit, and let's go to object path and outline stroke, and then let's merge this, and then let's press M and create a rectangle like this, and select this and divide this just like this. Let's maybe bring these 2 points a little bit down, something like that. Press yes and hold Alt and click here, and then copy this value here, and then reduce the horizontal value just a tiny bit, something like 80. Press OK and then bring it this way. I think we are all right. And let's select this, go to smooth tool, and let's smoothen this one just a tiny bit, and let's also bring this thing a little bit here, and then let's smoothen this too. Let's select this point and change this thing, something like that. So dock, let's maybe bring this thing down, press Shift C and just try to adjust this. Press E and let's select this and go to smooth, just smoothen this just a tiny bit, and let's also smoothen this thing down. Let's select this and then just try to round this. Something like this. Let's leave it here. I think we're okay. And let's select this. Let's round this thing just a tiny bit, and then go and let's select these points and bring it here, and then let's flip these vertically and horizontally, and let's bring this point just this way, and then let's maybe select this and change this to 30, and select this and change this to 25, so that it can be other way around. Select this, bring this here, and then select these 2 points and bring it up. Select these 2 points and bring it up, something like that. and let's maybe select this and bring it inside just a tiny bit, and select this and bring it inside, something like that. Press E and bring it down, something like that. Press P and create something like this. Let's bring these points here. Let's select this point and bring it up, and let's maybe bring this point here, something like that, and bring this point, press E, bring it out, just like this. Let's select both of these. I think we're okay. Let's maybe reduce this thing up. Let's select these points and select this point, hold shift and bring it up. Select these points and bring it up just a tiny bit, something like that, and select all of these and bring it up, something like that. Let's maybe bring this thing out and bring this thing inside, something like that. And let's select all of this, hold Alt and bring it here, and let's maybe bring this out and select this and go to object path and outline stroke, and let's merge this. Let's select this point, press yes and give the value of 100. Give the horizontal value to 0. Select these points, follow the same settings, select these, press yes and select this, copy this to here and change the horizontal value to 0. With this can be straightened out. I think we are okay. Let's delete these points with minus. I think we are okay. Let's bring this here and then let's start rounding this thing. Something simple here. We'll select this, round it all the way. I think let's maybe bring this thing a little bit inside, maybe bring this thing up, something like that. Let's select this, bring it inside, select both of these and bring it inside, select both of this and bring it inside, and let's select this and bring it inside, and select this and bring it inside, something like that. Let's select these points and press E and bring it just like that. It looks thick, so that's why I'm doing this. I think we're okay. And let's select these points and bring it just a tiny bit. Let's save this. So let's bring a point here by holding Alt, and then bring this thing here, and then let's maybe bring a point from here and place this here, something like that. Let's maybe delete this, and then let's concentrate on this one itself. Let's select this, and then let's change the value to 25. Then let's bring this point inside just a tiny bit. Select this and press P, and then let's continue this to create this, and then select this point, press P, click this, and then create a point here. And select both of these and bring it down just a tiny bit. Let's select all of these and then bring it here, and then select this point, press P, and then create a point here, something like that. Create something like this, and create a point here and create a point here, and then let's select all of these and bring it down just a tiny bit, something like that. And just select this and bring it out just a tiny bit, and then let's start by rounding these. Let's select this point. Before doing that, let's have a backup here, and let's select this point and round it here. Let's select this and round it. Let's select this and round it here, so that we create this. And then let's select this and just round it. Maybe let's select both of these, try to round it this way, so there is a smooth thing going on here. And then let's select this and then round it something around here, and select these 2 points and round it like this. Let's maybe round this thing more. Maybe let's round it this thing more, or I think let's just leave this thing, leave it this way for now. Now this is cool. I think this thing should move inside, and then this thing should come just a tiny bit more, something like this. And then let's bring it down just a tiny bit. I think let's maybe bring this thing up, maybe delete this thing, it could work too. Then let's bring it down. Let's maybe keep it for our backup on the top. Maybe this thing should be below, and then let's select this, and let's go to press Shift W and bring it all the way down, and give a thick point here, something like this, and then reduce here, something like this, and increase here. So this should go on and off. That's the basic idea. And then let's increase the weight here, and let's leave this thing down. Maybe bring it here, something like that. And let's select this and bring it down. Go to smooth tool. Let's smooth some of these points so that it can be a round thing rather than something like this. Let's leave it this way. I think it should work. Then let's bring it here by holding Alt, and let's bring this thing down, and then let's place this here, something like that. And then let's decrease the throat width by 22, and then let's scale this and select both of these and bring it here, and then let's place this here. Let's scale this even more, something like that. Let's bring it here. Let's maybe do this and increase the width just a tiny bit. Just bring it here just a tiny bit, and let's select this, and then let's try to smooth this with our smooth tool. It's really helpful, I think. Let's bring this thing just a tiny bit down, just like this. Let's leave it here. I think we are okay. We are on a good shape now. And let's select all of these points, press E, and let's try to scale this, something like that. And let's press this, and then let's smoothen this. I think we're okay. Let's leave it this way, and let's select this and hold Alt and bring it here. Let's select these 2 points and these 2 points. Let's select this one, and let's select this one, and this one, and bring it here, something like that. And then press the down arrow keys to bring it down just a tiny bit so that it can look different. And then select both of these, select this point, just bring it just a tiny bit inside, and then let's maybe bring it here, and then let's hold Alt and bring it here, and then let's start rounding this. Select both of these and then round it this way, and let's maybe decrease the size of this one just a tiny bit, and select all of this and bring it here just a tiny bit. Select both of these and round it, and select this and round it. Let's maybe select this and bring it with E, then something like this, and then go to smooth tool and just try to smoothen this thing just a tiny bit, and this a tiny bit. Maybe select this and bring it inside just like that, something like this. And then I think we need to delete this and bring it this way. I think we're okay. Let's maybe have a backup of this, and then let's select this, and then let's try to smoothen out things. let's select this point, bring it here, and let's select this. These are extra points. Let's select this. Let's press minus to delete some of these points so that it can look clean. I think we're okay. Somehow it turned into something weird. Let's maybe delete this one. Let's bring this down here, and then start working on this. Let's press minus to delete some of these points. Let's bring it this way. Let's select this and press minus, and select this, press shift C, and let's maybe bring it this way and select this, something like that. Press minus to delete these points. I think we're okay. Let's maybe bring it this way so that it can be straight. Also, let's bring it this way. Let's select this. Let's maybe smoothen this thing just a tiny bit. I think we're okay now. Let's bring it here. Let's save this document. Let's select. Let's bring the rounding here, also from this one. Let's select both of these, press yes and select this, and give the value of 100. Give the vertical value to be 0, and then bring it here, and then let's decrease this gap, and then let's maybe increase this gap. Let's select this and round it. I think we're okay. Let's try assembling this. Let's select this one and bring it down. Go to object, path and outline stroke, and let's merge this thing. then bring it down just a tiny bit and select these points, press yes and select this, press OK, select these, press yes and select this and press OK, and select this and press OK and press minus, write some of these unnecessary points. Okay, let's bring this thing down. Let's select this and select this point, go to this corner option, select this thing called inverted round, and let's increase the size just like this, something around 5. Something like 7, so dark, maybe around 8, and then select this and increase the corner value and change the corner method to inverted round and increase the size be something around 15. I think this should work, and let's leave this one. Let's try assembling this. Let's bring this and then let's just outline this, and let's bring this here, something like this. Select this and bring it down, something like this. start improving this. Let's bring this thing which we have created in the last part. Let's maybe hold Alt and bring it here, and bring this thing here, and place this something around here. Maybe let's go to this plus, add a this plus, and then select this and round this. Maybe a less of rounding. Something like this. And add an anchor point here. Bring it here and select this and round it this way. I think we are good. I think let's select these, maybe increase this by 11 so that it can be visible. I think let's select these and increase this by 18, maybe 20. I think we are alright. And then let's bring this here, and then let's bring this thing here. Let's select this plus E and place this here, and let's scale this, and let's keep it here, and let's select this and bring it down, and then let's maybe bring it here, and let's select these and press unite, and select these and just give it rounding, and then add an anchor point here, and let's give it a backup just like we already did, and then select this and round it this way. I think we are alright. Let's select and bring it up just a tiny bit. Maybe let's select this and bring it inside just a bit. I think we are okay. Let's bring this thing, and let's bring this here. Hold Alt and bring it here, and let's place this here. Something like this, and let's select all of this, press O and pick a center point, press copy and edit this, and let's select all of this, and let's bring it down, and let's press unite, and let's select this and this and round it this way, and let's bring it down. Let's have an anchor point here, and here, and let's select all of this with EA, press yes and select this and press OK, and select this, press yes and hold Alt, and then increase the horizontal value something around 140, and select this and hold Alt and click this and press OK, and select all of this, just round it. I think we're okay, and then let's select all of this and let's bring it inside just a tiny bit, something like that. I think this is way too big. Let's maybe let's select this and let's scale this. Let's bring it here. It's okay. I think let's select this, press O and pick a center point, press copy and then delete this, and let's select this and bring it down. Let's press unite. Let's go to this and this and give it a rounding of 2 and then bring it down by holding alt. And let's add anchor points. Press yes and select these. Give it a horizontal vertical value of 0 and select this and press this and increase this horizontal value by 140. Select this and press yes, hold alt and click this and press OK and select all of this and increase the rounding and select these points, press E and bring it inside. Let's save this document. I think we are okay. Let's bring this thing here by holding alt and bring this thing here. Let's bring it here and let's scale this something like that. Press E and place it here, something like this. Let's maybe scale this thing down a little bit. Let's bring this thing here, then let's maybe decrease this size a little bit. Press E and bring it here and select these points and bring it just like this, and then let's bring it here. Let's maybe decrease this tiny bit. Let's maybe on this side, on this way, and let's select this, press unite, and let's select this and bring it down, and let's select this. Let's give it a rounding, then let's leave this and let's give a backup. Bring this thing, and then let's bring this thing here, something like this. Press E and bring it here, and let's select this. Let's select this, press O and give copy and delete this, and then bring this thing a little bit inside. Make sure these are perfect, something like this. And then let's select this and bring it down, and let's unite this and let's bring this here. Let's give two anchor points here. Let's select this, press yes and click this and copy this and give the vertical value of 0 and select this, press yes and select this and copy this and paste it here, and then increase the horizontal value just something like 125 or something like that, and let's select this and round it. Maybe let's reduce this thing, it's way too high. Something like this. Let's click OK. Let's bring this thing down. And let's go ahead with another letter. there is no change in this. Let's leave this here, and then let's select these and bring it here, and let's add anchor points. I think we need to straighten this thing. Select this and press E, and select this and press E, something like this. Then let's click this, and then let's try smoothing this thing so that it can be straight, and select this and do this, and let's maybe bring this thing inside. Maybe something like this. So broke. Let's select this, give it a rounding. Then let's create a anchor point here, and let's select this and make it a corner point. Then let's add an anchor point here, and select this and make it a corner point, and select both of this and bring it something like this, and bring it down something like this. Add an anchor point here, and let's try bringing it up. Let's try bringing it towards right, and let's round this thing. I think we need to round both of these, something like this. I think we need to reduce the size of these things. Let's maybe do that. Let's round this. Maybe let's round this thing this way. Let's select these and bring it down. Let's select these points, bring it just a tiny bit inside, and then let's select this, add anchor point here, and another one here, and select both of these and bring it down, something like that. Add anchor point here, and select this and bring it on the right, something like this, and select both of these, press yes and press this, and then give the value of 100, and let's give the horizontal value to be 0 so that it can be really straight. And let's select all of this and bring it to the left just a tiny bit, and select this point, bring it to the left, right, and then let's select both of this. Let's corner this thing, and then let's select this and corner this one, something like that. And let's select this just a tiny bit of a corner here. Let's have a backup of this one too, and then let's add an anchor point here and another one here, and select both of this and bring it up, and let's select this and bring this way, and let's maybe add another anchor point here, and let's select this one and bring it here, something like this. And let's maybe select this one and this one, and press yes and select this, press OK, and then let's select this one and this one, press E and bring it here, and let's round this thing. And then let's try rounding this one. I think we are alright. And then let's select this, add an anchor point here, and let's try bringing it down just a tiny bit, and let's round this thing. I think we're okay. I think we're done with this one, and let's try assembling this thing. Let's delete this, and then let's assemble this with this one. Let's delete this. let's press Q. Select these points and bring it this way, something like this. I think we're okay. Let's maybe increase this size. Let's maybe increase this corner value just a tiny bit more. I think we're okay. Let's press L for the ellipse tool. L for the ellipse tool and create an ellipse by holding shift, something like this, and then press Ctrl C and Ctrl F and bring a circle inside, and let's maybe change it to white, and let's select this outside one. Press C for the scissor tool and click this and click this. We have dissected this into two semicircles, and let's delete this and select this and press P and select both of this and merge this by let's select this point, select this circle, press Ctrl Shift and backslash, Ctrl Shift and left bracket, Ctrl Shift and open bracket to bring it in the back side. Then select this and add an anchor point at the center, something like that, and select this point and bring it down, something like this, and let's select both of this and just round this way, maybe around all the way, and select this point. Maybe let's have a backup at the top, and let's select this and let's round it this way, something around 3, and let's select this, press Ctrl Shift and left bracket, open bracket, and then let's select all of this, select this and then press minus front so that we get this. I think we need to scale this thing a little bit down, just a tiny bit, something like this. Let's select both of this and press minus front, and let's bring this here. Let's keep it this way. Maybe let's reduce this size just a tiny bit. I think we're okay. And let's select this and move it from away, and then let's select this and move it this way. Then let's drag this here, and then let's delete this, and then let's select these, press Ctrl Z to group it, then go to effect warp and arc and give the value of 35 and press OK, and let's bring this thing down, maybe call this 3, and then let's bring this thing down, and then let's copy this and paste it here and bring it something around here. Let's scale this and place it something here, something in the center. Let's maybe scale it just a tiny bit. I think we're okay. Let's select this and then go to object and expand appearance. Before doing that, let's try adjusting this thing. Let's select these points, press E and bring it up, something like this. Then let's press Q for the lasso tool and select these points. Something like this. Press E and let's try scaling it just a tiny bit and bring it up, something like this, something this way, and select these points and bring it here, something like this. I think we're okay. And then let's select these points and bring it this way. And let's select this point and bring it here. And let's select these points. Let's maybe use Q or the lasso tool and select these points and bring it here, something like this. And then let's rotate it just a tiny bit. Let's go to our smooth tool. Let's smooth this very slow. This point is fixed, and then let's do it this way. I think this is good. This is fixed, and then let's move it this way. Let's maybe select this point and bring it this way, maybe something around center. Something like this. And then let's maybe bring this point something this way. Let's go ahead with our smooth operation. Just try to smooth it. I think we are good. Let's maybe select this point and bring it this way, just a tiny bit. And let's select this point. Maybe this one. And let's press E and rotate it just a tiny bit. Let's press this, and then maybe select this, press Shift C and reduce the size just a tiny bit. Let's go to smooth tool, just smooth this very slow. I think we're okay now. Let's maybe fix this one, this point. Go to smooth tool. Let's try smoothing this. Let's select this point, make it a corner point, and let's select this, press E and bring it down just a tiny bit. Just smooth this very slowly. Let's select this and make it a corner point just like that, and let's select and bring it here, something like that. Maybe make it a corner point too. Let's round it this way, and let's select this. Let's maybe get rid of this one, and let's select this, press Shift C, then let's bring it this way, maybe something like that. Press V and we get this. maybe press Q to select all of this, press E and bring it something around this way, maybe like this. Something like this. I think we need to move these things, and please press Q once again, Q, and select these points, press E, bring it here, and let's just scale this way and bring it this way, rotate it a tiny bit and bring it something like that, and then go to smooth tool, smooth this thing by looking at this thing, something like that. I think it's almost done. Let's select this point and make it a corner one. Let's select this and bring it down just a tiny bit, something like this. Make it a corner one. Select this and let's get rid of this one, and then let's select this, press Shift C and bring it this way, and hold Alt and bring it the other way, something like this. Let's select this, make it a corner and hold Alt and bring it this way. I think we are finally done with our design. Let's select this and let's bring it this way. Let's hold Alt. Let's hold Alt and bring it this way, something like this. And let's select this, bring it down, and select this. Go to Object, Path and Outline Stroke. Sorry. Let's select this and go to Object and Expand Appearance. And let's merge these. And let's save this document. Before doing that, let's maybe press Q, select a point, press Q, and select these points, press, maybe I have selected more points, select these very slowly, press E and bring it inside just a tiny bit, and let's maybe double click this and just move it the right side just a tiny bit, then select this, double click, select this and click this, and then move it on the right just a tiny bit, something like that. I think we are all right. Maybe select this point, press Q, maybe select these points, press E and move it on the right, and select this and press Q, press E, and I think we need to select only these, press E and move it just like this. I think we're good. Let's maybe bring this thing down, press E and bring this just a tiny bit, something like that. Maybe I think let's go back to this and let's select this. I think we are good. Let's change it to design 4 and then let's expand this, expand appearance. I think we're finally done. Let's enable our layer on. Select all of these and bring it here, maybe something around here. Maybe let's delete this reference. Maybe select all of this and bring it. Maybe let's bring this here and then select this, bring this here. Let's save this document.